Hello, and welcome to the virtual tutorial on how to download and access Survey123 on your smartphone. This may be slightly different depending on your phone. I am using a Samsung Galaxy for this video, which is an Android phone. Whether you are on your phone or computer, you should have received an email from ArcGIS notifications that looks like this screen. Note your username is your UCSS number. As you can see, mine is UCSS 232. Please click the link to create a password. A new browser window will open. Please create a password that you can remember. Passwords must be 8 characters long, contain at least one letter and one number. I put in my last name and the number 1. Once you have made your password, you will then be prompted to choose a security question and the answer. Once you are done, you will be directed to the Stewards page for Survey123. You are now ready to download Survey123 on your phone. To install the app, please open your App Store on your phone. The App Store may look like these icons. Search for Survey123. The app will be titled ArcGIS Survey123 and will look like a green notebook icon. Please install the app. While waiting for the app to download, you can make some tea, eat some cookies, pet your dog, or simply play the Jeopardy song. Once the app is downloaded, you can find it on your home screen. Please open it. Please allow the app to access your device's location and be allowed to take pictures and video. Please sign in to the ArcGIS Online with your username, which is your UCSS number. For example, remember mine is UCSS 232. Please enter the password you created. You will now be prompted to a screen that says My Survey123 and a search bar and a button below that says Download Surveys. Click Download Surveys. You will see several options that are available for download. Please click the download button on the tabs that say Stewardship Training Form and Stewardship Program Monitoring Form. Once you hit the back arrow, you will see that your surveys have been downloaded. Click the survey with the footprint logo that is labeled Stewardship Program Monitoring Form. Now you are ready to collect data.